Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro M1218 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP LaserJet Pro M1218 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back with HP Hotspot LaserJet Pro M1218 NFS MFP. Go ahead and open that up. It should be on an HP support page. And you want to go underneath support category and select software and drivers. And now going underneath utility, you want to expand that, and there should be a smart install control utility in here. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And then just want to proceed with the installation here. Make sure your printer is connected and properly installed. And as long as HP Smart Install is enabled, the printer should automatically install on its own at this point. You may need to refresh the page here in order for the printer to then become visible. Make sure your network settings are configured on your printer and that your printer is discoverable by your network. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.